Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files with Hootsuite beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Hootsuite website. Log in to your Hootsuite account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. On the dashboard, find the option for Media Library. Click on Media Library to access your stored files. To upload new files, click the Upload Media button. Choose the files you wish to transfer from your computer. After selecting the files, click Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the files to finish uploading. Once completed, your files will appear in the Media Library. You can create folders within the Media Library for better organization. To create a folder, click on New Folder and name it accordingly. Drag and drop files into the newly created folder if needed. To share files, select the file you want to transfer. Click on the Share button that appears. Choose the social media platform you'd like to share the file to. Follow any prompts to customize your post before sharing. After you're satisfied with your post, click Send to publish. Your file is now transferred and shared on the selected platform. Repeat these steps for any additional files you wish to transfer. If you encounter any issues, check the Hootsuite Help Center for troubleshooting. Remember that organizing your files can make future transfers easier. Explore additional features in Hootsuite to enhance your file management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.